Hello everyone, I am Gaurav Malik and today in this video we will learn about degrees of comparison. So let us start. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun or pronoun with another noun or pronoun. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. Adjectives have three degrees of comparison, which are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. In this video, we will learn about all the three degrees of comparison, and we will also learn how we make comparative and superlative degree from the positive degree. First one, positive degree. The simple form of the adjective is called the positive degree of the adjective. It refers to one object, person, or place. It is used when no comparison is made. For example, he has a big house. Here we can see that no comparison is made and big only tells the quality of the house. So, big is the positive degree of adjective. Second one, comparative degree. The form of the adjective used in comparing two objects is called the comparative degree of the adjective. For example, her house is bigger than my house. Here, we made a comparison between the size of her house and my house. So, comparative degree bigger is used. We can also see that the comparison is made between two objects. So, comparative degree is used. The third one, superlative degree. The form of the adjective used in comparing more than two objects is called the superlative degree of the adjective. For example, his house is the biggest of all. Here we compared the size of more than two houses, or we can say all the houses. So, superlative degree biggest is used. Let us see few adjectives with their degrees, which are positive, comparative, and superlative. Examples are tall, taller, tallest, short, shorter, shortest, long, longer, longest, easy, easier, easiest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Comparative adjectives are used in sentences where two nouns or noun equivalents are compared, and the pattern of the sentence is noun or noun equivalent as subject plus verb plus comparative adjective plus then plus noun or noun equivalent as object. For example, the rock flew higher than the roof. Here, rock is a noun, flew is verb, higher is comparative adjective, and roof is noun. Superlative adjectives are used in sentences where a subject is compared to a group of objects, and the pattern of the sentence is noun or noun equivalent as subject plus verb plus the plus superlative adjective plus noun or noun equivalent as object. For example, this is the tallest building in the city. Here this is a pronoun which is a noun equivalent. The tallest is superlative adjective. Building in the city is object. Let us know how we form comparative and superlative degrees from positive degrees. In English grammar, we have certain rules to do so. The first rule is by adding er and est to most one or two syllable words that ends in consonant. That means if we have one or two syllable word and it ends in consonant, then we add er and est to form comparative and superlative degrees. For example, short becomes shorter and shortest. Rich has comparative degree richer and richest as superlative degree. Bright, brighter, brightest. Strong, stronger, strongest. That means we add er to form the comparative degree and est to form the superlative degree. Second rule, when the positive degree ends in e, we add only r and st to the adjective. For example, large becomes larger and largest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. That means to form comparative degree, we only used r, and to form superlative degree, we only added st when the positive word, or we can say positive adjective, ends in e. Third rule, when the positive degree ends in consonant plus y, we drop the y and add ier and iest. For example, heavy becomes heavier and heaviest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Merry, merrier and merriest. Here, to form comparative degree, we dropped y and added ier. In the same way, to form superlative degree, we dropped y and added est. Fourth rule, when the positive degree is a one syllable word that ends in vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add er and est to the positive degree. For example, fat becomes fatter. So, in comparative degree, we doubled the last consonant t and added er. In the same manner, to form superlative degree, we doubled the last consonant t and added est. Let us see some more examples. Big, bigger, biggest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Red, redder, reddest. So, here we doubled the ending consonant and added er to form the comparative degree, and we doubled the ending consonant and added est to form the superlative degree. Fifth rule, when the positive degree is two or more syllable word, then we add more and most before the positive degree to form comparative and superlative degrees. We also use less and least respectively in forming comparative and superlative degrees. For example, beautiful becomes more beautiful or less beautiful in comparative degrees, while it becomes most beautiful or least beautiful in superlative degrees. In the same manner, interesting becomes more or less interesting in comparative degrees, or most or least interesting in superlative degrees. Expensive becomes more or less expensive and most or least expensive. Here we add more or less plus adjective of positive degree to make comparative degree. At the same time we use most or least plus adjective of positive degree to form superlative degree. Comparison of irregular forms. There are some adjectives that do not form comparative or superlative from their positive degrees. They form comparative and superlative degrees irregularly. So here are some examples of comparison of irregular forms that are good, better, best. So you can see they do not follow any rule to make comparative and superlative degrees. Few more examples: bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, many, more, most, much, more, most, late, late has later and latest and also has latter and last as comparative and superlative degrees. Old also have older and oldest and elder and eldest as comparative and superlative degrees. Far, farther and farthest. Let us see some examples that are concerned with the use of older and elder, oldest and eldest. So first example is, he is older than I am. Second, he is my elder brother. Third, he is the oldest man in the village. Fourth, his eldest son is 30 years old. Here, elder and eldest are normally used when comparing members of a family. Other than family members, older and oldest is used. So we can see in second and fourth example, family members are compared, so we used elder and eldest. But in first and third example, the family members are not compared, so we used older and oldest. We use then with comparative degree, like my room is larger than hers. Here, larger is a comparative degree, so we used then after that. We use the before superlative degree. For example, this is the smallest man I have ever seen. Here, smallest is a superlative degree, so we used the before it. Latin adjectives. There are some Latin adjectives ending in OR. These adjectives are originally comparative and take preposition to and not conjunction then. That means we use to with them and do not use then with them. These Latin adjectives are senior, junior, superior, inferior, prior, anterior and posterior. For example, he is senior to me. Here we used senior to, not senior than. In the same manner, this cloth is inferior to that, and we do not use inferior than. These adjectives are also used in positive degree. For example, he is a senior advocate. Here we can see that there is no comparison and we use senior as positive degree. In the same manner, he sells the goods of inferior quality. Here there is no comparison between quality but positive degree inferior is used. More or most should not be used before these adjectives to form comparative or superlative degrees. For example, he is 2 years more senior to you. So this sentence is incorrect. In the same manner, she is the most senior staff in this office. This sentence is also incorrect. We have to remove more and most before these sentences. That sentence will become, he is 2 years senior to you. So this is correct now. In the same manner, second sentence will become, she is a senior staff in this office. So this sentence is also now correct. Avoid double comparatives and double superlatives. That means do not apply two rules to form a comparative or a superlative degree. For example, Mohan is more taller than Rohan. So this sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is Mohan is taller than Rohan. So in the first sentence we can see that more is added to the positive degree and at the same time ER was also added to the positive degree to form a comparative. So that becomes double comparative. So we should avoid double comparatives. More is used when you compare qualities of a single thing or person, even if the first adjective is a single syllable word. For example, she is smarter than clever. So this sentence is incorrect. She is more smart than clever. So this sentence is correct. And the reason is here we are comparing the quality of a same person. So we will not use ER to form the comparative degree. Rather, we will use more. Absolute adjectives. We should never use more or most with adjectives that give absolute sense. For example, this track is more parallel to that one. So this sentence is incorrect. It should be this track is parallel and the other is not. So this one is correct. Here we can see that parallel give the sense of absoluteness. So we will not use more with it. Let us see some more examples of absolute adjectives with which we have to avoid the use of more and most. These are absolute, extreme, circular, annual, excellent, dead, blind, entire, complete, impossible, invincible, solar, lunar, right, wrong, empty, whole, round, square, triangular, rectangular, singular, universal, unique, total, etc. Here is an exercise for you. What you can do, you can pause the video and do this exercise. You can leave your answer in the comment section below. Best of luck. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos.